Hey Pyro Peeps, Dex here. I'm going to do a quick store walkthrough. I don't do these very often, but we are out in PA somewhere. I'll figure that out in a moment. I didn't drive, but this is Boomville Fireworks. Oh, we're in Brookville, PA. Boomville Fireworks, brand new store. So let's check it out. Sorry I'm talking through a mask, but first walking in. Nice big counter setup. Oh, you're good. You're good. Like I said, brand new. Been open. What? Been open about a week or so?
Last Saturday.
Last Saturday. So I'm not going to be going over pricing and stuff. Just a quick store walkthrough. I know some people like to see prices and stuff, but you know, especially this year, prices are what they are. Some are higher, some are lower. Just if you find something you like, buy it. You know, I work directly with importers, but I'm going to be spending some money today. This is nice. Here we go. 500 gram cakes. Woo! Really nice setup. Nice lighting. This used to be like an ice cream store or something. There you go. Some missiles. Come down this way. Got some 200 gram cakes and some sparklers.
Oh, okay. You came in earlier, and then Brett.
Okay.
Had come in.
Doing a quick reverse here. Oh, those popper guns are cool. That's funny. Wall of smoke. Another tip too, if you see a place that has smoke, get it. It's hard to get. There we go. Fountains, pure fantasy. Definitely one of my favorites. Frosty mug of beer, excellent. Some novelties up top, some satellites down below. Very clean setup in here. You know, we go to some fireworks stores, they're all good, but this is really a nice layout. It's lit awesome. Here we go, fantastic. Here we go, assortments. Another thing that might be harder to find this year. If you see them, get them. This is a fun section right here. These ground blooms with bangs are good. Sometimes you get some flying ground blooms. I'm seeing if I see any. Satellites, Saturn missiles, firecracker section.
Really? Well, you know what? I like them both, but you should have mentioned that first.
And flipping around, some more assortments.
I'll try I did a station.
And there you go.
And I did the cauliflower for Brian.
So there you have it. Let me back out. So again, this is Boomville Fireworks in Brookville, PA. Brand new store. Opened up April 2021. So, there you go. Nice little walkthrough. You saw some products. Yeah. Can give some feedback. Hopefully it was a decent video. I don't do walkthroughs very often. Watched plenty. And there you have it. And out we go. Actually, no. I'm going to stand by some stuff, but that's it. Ciao for now, Pyro Peeps. See you again soon. Peace.